welcome to IFAS. I hope you're doing all fine. So, students, we have today Donna with us, who has qualified GATE examination with flying colors. So let's meet Donna and let's see how her journey completed her, how she completed her journey. So congratulations, Donna. First of all, congratulations so much. So you have qualified GATE examination with very good rank. So how are you feeling, Donna?
Thank you. First of all, I must say thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, IFAS. I'm fine. I'm extremely fine, and I am happy and excited to share my journey with IFAS. Yeah.
Right. So will you introduce yourself, Donna?
Yeah. Myself, Donna Roy, and I am from West Bengal. I have completed my graduation in biotechnology from Guru Nanak Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology in 2019 and completed my master degree in biotechnology from Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology in 2020-21. And now I have enrolled myself in PhD program in one of CSIR lab in Kolkata.
Okay. So why did you choose GATE examination?
GATE, I think GATE is a very prestigious exam in India. So many people are preparing for GATE and trying to get. They are willing to get MTech degree or PhD degree in IITs or IIC. That's why I have also thought so that
Okay.
to help my get score in PhD enrollment. Yeah.
Okay. So why did you choose IFAS and how IFAS helped you secure a good rank in IFAS in GATE examination?
How can I describe the IFAS contribution in my life throughout the whole journey in words? I don't know how to explain the contribution. Yeah, I am sharing my few experience in few words. That IFAS is helping me a lot still now. When I have started my journey, I was very scaring that how I will cover the syllabus and how to write for the exam, how to prepare myself. Yeah, it's a very tough journey as I was newcomer of this field, and I didn't have that much background in this field also.
Okay.
So when I was starting my preparation, I randomly checked some YouTube videos in IFS. And one, I think I remember the first day of my YouTube videos. One day I saw 𝐃𝐎𝐍𝐀's video in YouTube, and I watched the videos. Something was based on amino acid. Yeah, I recall it.
Yes.
Yeah, the video is very much helpful and very informative. Yeah, that from that now I am continuing my preparation. Yeah, still now I am watching videos. Yeah, that
Yes, we are still now learning. We all are students for our whole lives. We always learn day
yeah,
by
yeah.
day.
I also purchased some PYQs, and PYQs was excellent. Yeah,
Okay, so books you purchase in publication.
books and video lectures, and
Okay,
YouTube also
you a
the
lot. So
platform
that
to
is
learn
how you came to know from YouTube about the IFS.
from the YouTube itself.
Yeah, from the YouTube. Okay. So what hurdles have you faced during the preparation? Can you share with us?
Yeah, during when I was starting my I have started my preparation. That time in 2020-21 I was very much affected in COVID, and I didn't know that how I overcome the period and how to struggle with the COVID and how to start my preparation. Yeah, it's a quite very tough situation, pathetic situation for me. So that yeah, lots of hurdles and lots of failures also happened in my life. That I don't know, I just believe myself that I can handle all the hurdles in my life, and I can be succeeded. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, like, what motivated you for how you overcome your hurdles, and what motivated you? What inspired you the most? So, like, and you had that confidence in yourself that you can qualify the examination. What is your motivation?
The doctorate degree, after all.
Yeah, right. So, the doctorate degree, that is your motivation. That's great.
So many
So,
professors and scientists are there to work hard in their laboratories. There, I want to put myself in their position and want to see after 10 years, yeah, as a scientist or as a researcher,
As
yeah,
scientist, yes.
that position.
So, is there any of your role model, some scientist or a
The
professor?
future me actually.
Oh yeah, your future. That's
Yeah.
good. Okay. So, like, how much part of the syllabus did you cover for the GATE examination? Like, how much did you cover completely? What were your strong points in the GATE examination? You appeared for the GATE Biotechnology (BT). So, what was your most strongest point in the GATE examination, and how much did you cover the syllabus of overall GATE?
As I am from biotechnology background, the knowledge of biotechnology from UG and PG helped me a lot, so that I didn't struggle that much. Yeah, I think bioprocessing engineering, that was very tough for me. Yeah, I was struggling with that portion quite. So it's helped me. It
Okay,
helped me. Yeah.
okay. So, didn't that syllabus scare you? The syllabus
Yeah,
is really vast. It is very
the
vast.
past syllabus, the mathematics and the aptitude, all the things are very scary. First of all, when I was at the early age, when I was starting my preparation, yeah, failure. I think failure is the pillar of success. I have failed so
We learn
many.
from our mistakes. Correct.
Yeah, we can learn from our mistakes. I think we can gain experience, and with the help of experience. We can apply those experience in our real life, and we can gain and lot of things, and we can ultimately win.
Yes, definitely. So now you have taken admission in a CSIR lab. So,
Yes.
like, what project are you thinking on, planning on to work on?
My project is based on biosensor.
Biosensors. Very good. So, can you tell us more about that?
As my dissertation for MSc was based on biosensors, I thought ki I want to carry on that project in also PhD, so that there is a big chance to be a intro entrepreneur, to use the PhD thesis in a commercializing way, so that we can help develop incubation or a startup company, so that we can also grow as Biocon has done, or Serum
Yes.
Institute, and so many companies in India have done their beautiful incubation or beautiful startups like that way. I also think so.
So, is your goal related to that, entrepreneurship and like that? What is your goal for the life? What do you?
Yeah, my aim is to be a good entrepreneur. That's why I'm trying to do some research on biosensor, that I can develop easily a biosensor based any product in healthcare to commercialize the idea in a good manner, in a good way, that people can easily get benefits from me. From this.
That's a very noble cause. That's a very good thing
Actually,
to
the
do.
society will get the benefit for my research.
Society will get the benefit. Many people
I want to do some research in for the benefit of the society. Yeah.
benefit of the society. That is very philanthropic of you. That's very nice. So those are your goals. So thank you for sharing all this very informative information for us. And I know the lot of people will get inspired from you, and will also give the examination. Will also enroll for it. Will also try to do the PhDs and research work like you do. And thank you for sharing your experience with us, Donna. And congratulations again on your success. And we hope you get succeed furthermore in your life. Thank you. Thank you, Donna.
So much, sir.